Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mandal and in this video I am going to talk about abstraction and encapsulation. These two are the pillars of object-oriented programming along with inheritance and polymorphism. As we know, object-oriented programming was designed to make our code more reusable and to achieve code security. So we can achieve code reusability with the help of inheritance and polymorphism concepts of hooks. But if you want to achieve code security, here are the two concepts which we are going to talk about in this video. They are abstraction and encapsulation. So let's talk about these two, and we will explore how these two help to achieve code security. So let's first talk about abstraction in Java. So abstraction simply means hiding the details or implementation and showing only the necessary parts. So the implementation parts is hidden from the user. We can achieve this with the help of interfaces. So before talking about abstraction, let's first talk about abstract classes and abstract methods. So if we declare a class as abstract by using the keyword abstract, it means that we cannot create an object of that particular class. So if we declare our class an abstract, so first we need to subclass it, means we need to inherit that class first, and then we need to create an object of that inherited class. So if we declare an abstract class, then we cannot create an object of it. Now, if we talk about abstract method, it means that an abstract method it does not have any implementation. So it states that it must be inherited by the subclass. So an implementation of the abstract method is a must. So that's how we can achieve the code security, by hiding the implementation and showing the functionality only. So the purpose of the purpose of using abstraction is so that so the user does not have to be worried about what the internal functionality is or what the internal implementation is. So the user will enjoy only the part that is necessary to it, and he don't have to worry about what are the implementations and what are the things going behind the scenes. So that's how we are achieving abstraction and why we are using abstraction. Another way of code security or achieving code security is encapsulation. So in encapsulation, we simply bind together the methods and variables together. So first we talk about why we use encapsulation. So we have passwords and usernames that we don't want to be accessed anywhere else. So as it is very private, so we want to make sure that it won't go to the unauthorized user. So if we want to save these user IDs or passwords, we must make them private, or we must make them so we don't want to any unauthorized user to search that or to get that information. So in this case, what we do is that we make sure that the ID and passwords which we are storing in the variables, we make them as a private, and we make sure that it won't be visible outside of our class. So by making those private and using the concepts of getters and setters method, we make sure that our private information does not go outside of our class, but we can still access this with the help of getters and setters, which is defined on that particular class only. So what we are doing here is that we are encapsulating both variables and methods. We are binding it together, and we can access it through the getters and setters, and we don't let that private information to go outside of our class. We can only access with the help of those getters and setters, which we only know about, and thus we can achieve code security, because any unauthorized user won't be able to see that code. So that was all about abstraction and encapsulation. I hope you learned something new in this video. That was all about how we can achieve code security. So that was all from my side. My name is Aftab Mandal, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.